Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster, your go-to hub for rugged rides, luxury builds, and road-tested adventure machines. If you're dreaming a home on wheels that's ready to conquer the wild and turn heads while doing it, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into something bold, bright, and beautifully built. The Cabin Fever camper van motorhome in a blazing, vibrant yellow. This beast is more than just a van. It's a 4x4 powered freedom capsule on wheels with a rugged long body that's built for off-grid living and stylish travel. So buckle up, road warriors. This tour is about to change the way you see van life. Exterior front view. Let's kick things off with a bold first impression. Standing proud at the official Cabin Fever showroom. The front view of this camper van motorhome demands attention. The high-gloss vibrant yellow finish glows under natural light, while the signature Cabin Fever logo is stamped on the front grille like a badge of honor. Add to that large LED headlamps, a clean aerodynamic windshield, and a beefy front bumper that hints at the off-road power underneath. This front view is an open invitation to explore. It's not just about looks. It's about making a statement everywhere you park. Top side view. From above, the Cabin Fever camper van is just as impressive. The top side view reveals a rugged, tech-packed rooftop that's made for extended off-grid stays. You've got high-efficiency solar panels mounted up top, keeping your power flowing no matter where the road leads. A low-profile antenna boosts your mobile signal, while the integrated rooftop air conditioning unit ensures the interior stays cool and comfortable in any climate. Whether you're parked in the forest or desert, this roof setup is your mobile utility station. Durable, stealthy, and fully functional. Just how a modern camper should be. Backside view. Spinning around to the rear, the adventure-ready design continues. Right on the back door, you'll notice a securely mounted extra tire, because you never know when the wild will test your limits. Below that sits a sturdy cycle carrier, perfectly aligned for your electric scooter or mountain bike. It's all painted to match the vibrant yellow body, and the doors open wide to give you quick access to gear and storage. Tough, practical, and built for real travel. The rear of this motorhome is proof that Cabin Fever knows exactly what explorers need. Side view. Now for one of the coolest parts of the tour, the side view. Along the passenger side of the Cabin Fever van, you'll find a retractable tent awning that transforms into your very own outdoor lounge. Pull out, set up a couple of chairs, and you've got instant shade and comfort, whether you're parked at a beach, forest trail, or mountain overlook. With the awning extended and the side panels down, this setup becomes your open-air living room. Why stay inside when the world is your backyard? This is van life at its most luxurious. Driving compartment. Let's hop inside and check out the driving compartment, where the journey begins, and every mile feels like home. Here you'll find two high-tech LED displays, one for GPS and media control, the other streaming a live rear-view feed from the back camera, making tight turns and reverse parking easier than ever. The premium leather seats are both heated and ventilated, and the ergonomic layout controls makes long drives a breeze. Add in a panoramic windshield and insulated cabin, and this front seat becomes the best place to drive or nap on the road. Sitting and sleeping area. Right behind the cockpit lies your cozy chill zone, the sitting and sleeping area. By day, it's a plush sofa setup with a sleek fold-out table, perfect for work, dining, or planning your next adventure. When night falls, this same space transforms into a full-size bed built for two. Soft LED lighting, overhead storage, and insulated side panels make it a quiet, warm retreat after a day of trailblazing. Every detail is thoughtfully designed to make small space feel like a luxury lounge. You'll forget you're even in a van. Kitchen. Time to fuel up. Let's talk about the kitchen setup. Nestled smartly beside the sleeping area is a compact kitchen that includes a 2-burner stove, a stainless steel sink, and a mini fridge to keep your groceries fresh. There's plenty of upper and lower storage for all your cooking gear, and a small counter space lets you prep your meals, snacks, or morning brew in style. Whether it's a full breakfast before a hike or just some hot cocoa by the campfire, this little kitchen is your secret weapon for road-ready meals. Washroom. Yes, there's a fully functional washroom inside this compact beast. The Cabin Fever camper van features a smartly designed wet bath, complete with a compact toilet. folding sink, and a handheld shower head. Tucked neatly in the corner, the washroom makes the most of limited space with wall hooks, shelves, and a skylight to keep things fresh and ventilated. A sliding waterproof door ensures privacy and cleanliness. For a van this size, having a washroom like this is a total win. Proof that you don't have to give up comfort to go off the grid. And there you have it. The full tour of the Cabin Fever camper van motorhome, dressed in vibrant yellow and built for life off the beaten path. With a rugged long body, powerful 4x4 wheels, smart tech, and efficient use of space, this van is a road warrior's dream come true. And the best part? All of this adventure-ready brilliance comes with a price tag of just $102,000. So what do you think? Could you see yourself living the van life in this beast? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on the next episode of Jeep Mudmaster.